lights on. Here we are. Another chicken ride.
Dana didn't shave.
Rob, Snapbacker.
Rob has the
Rick.
chicken.
Cut me off 2 weeks ago. Then he got on my wheel. All good fun though. Got on my wheel last week. I dug deep for him. I was really happy to see him get the win.
Magic carpet ride.
Look at he still has that smile on his face.
I've never seen that many teeth in his mouth.
And then that chicken. Who knows where it's been this week? I think I'm sitting on a sofa together. That thing is still warm and lubed up.
Just resting up. Nice. That's not sanitary. So is Rob going to be out for revenge?
Revenge? Revenge of what? I'm out for revenge. Bullshit. We're taking them back. It's been too long.
Morning. Looks like trouble.
Time with Jack. Come on. We're getting serious now. Yes, please. Jason's wife pulled brains in on him. He had to actually do something today. I couldn't convince him.
Good morning, how are you?
Back. What do you mean? What's he doing? He doesn't work on Fridays? Yeah, he works.
Which is another way of saying he should be on the chicken. Nice turnout for a winter ride. I didn't see the video. The only thing I've seen so far is a request if anybody could ride after the chicken, which I can't.
Ride what?
After the chicken today.
Oh yeah. I don't even know if I probably can't even make that.
You can't make your own ride?
Yeah.
You have to cancel on yourself.
I'm gonna cancel on myself.
How was the high country?
You know, it was like first week of September. The lowest temp we had was like 20 degrees.
Yeah.
Which in August I had, you know, like 15. Kids up.
Yeah, if it's not flashing, you don't have to stop though. Thank you. Thank you. I think we've got our work cut out for us, Rob.
I wanted to go to the gym and start like doing squats and.
But you didn't want to ruin your legs for your defense? Oh yeah, exactly. Just start being rubber legged on Friday.
Yeah, when do you start doing your squats? Not doing enough.
I'm not sure if I like it either.
It blocks the view.
Are they going to be there for a long time? Or are they temporary? They must be temporary.
Pretty heavy, I don't think.
I think they're temporary. Look at those ones that they put up at Chrissy Field. They were amazing.
Those are all made from like the records that they pulled out of the freeway there.
I don't think so.
All those Ivy Corporations.
No. That's my friend's uncle that made them.
Really?
Yeah, his name's something DeSuvero, because her name's Romana. But no, he had a he sells them all over the world, but he had a studio in New York where he had it on the river so that tugboats could like move the statues and stuff on the Hudson.
Strava time here.
Yeah, our world. That's the loophole. Entire art world.
Oh man.
Not one bit. Car back!
Well, that's the car back.
Yeah, we passed.
Yeah. Past us, past the back.
What's that? Nice. Does that work? That is a new skill. I think it was just 3 of them. Dana, Peter, and Robbie Chrisman.
Standing on the side of the road. That's how much fun they had.
What happened to you, Matt? Where's Matt?
I think I slowed him down.
You slowed down, Matt?
Yeah.
Nice ride by you.
Yeah, right?
How'd you feel there, Ray?
Right on, but you know, I just saw catch.
Oh.
Yeah.
Did you hang with those guys?
Yeah.
Nice.
But they were moving.
Oh, yeah.
Holy shit, they were moving. Yeah, they were really going.
There was only 3 of them?
Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Shotgun.
Way to make the break. Good job.
Yeah. See, a small man, almost a year today. I finally made it with a patch. We were going so fast. We were like, oh my.
Whoops. Bike coming through. Bike up. Bike up. Yeah, we're letting you through.
I came in on, I don't know what night it was.
Did you stay in the brake second? Dana?
Yeah.
Nice. And the mighty Peter Vaughn. Oh, I did too. I thought both the Mike's riders came by. I didn't realize it was Steve coming back.
See? It's even better than that camouflage.
Peter yelled, I don't want to work.
Too late.
That's what Peter said?
Too late for that.
I'll wait for the guy Ryan. I'll see you guys at the coffee shop. Yeah, good job. Bike up. Morning. Morning.
That guy we were with there
Yeah, Robbie Chrisman. Yeah, I do know him. He raced like on a UCI team in Europe last this summer. Yeah, he graduated from college in like University of Texas El Paso in May, and then went to Europe. He raced collegiate, went to nationals and stuff, and then went to Europe and raced on some like small, just for the summer. Seemed pretty strong, huh?
Yeah, definitely. He's doing his work.
Yeah. I don't know what he's gonna do. I'm gonna talk to him and see. I know his dad, like he grew up in Kentfield, went to, you know, school like right by the shop and everything. Yeah. Oh no, that was Ryan, my Enduro rep. I'm waiting for him, the super tall guy. There he is. All right, should we get some coffee?
Yeah, I had 6 cars, we were like 16, 15 or something with a slow start.
Oh, you guys were moving. You were, because we were lollygagging, and you guys were.
45 seconds.
Yeah, you guys were gone. What'd you think, Ryan? That's a shock to the system, huh?
Oh yeah.
It's a.
That was fun though.
Yeah, it is fun. It's a really, really fun group. Like, it's good-natured, and you know, everybody's just, you know, helps each other out.
Yeah, I
Until it comes time to put somebody in the bush,
yeah.
which is the finish.
Yeah.
Riders up. Morning.
About halfway, and then I was like,
Hoist the white flag.
yeah. I was like, I gotta save a little bit. That was fun.
The first, I probably made a foolish move on the first hill to go up to that first little 3-man move. I probably should have hung with the pack, because when these guys came by, there was no chance of getting on. Like 4 of them came by. It was hard riding right there for a minute.
That's a blast of fun.
It is, and it's you know, what's funny is like we probably like did the loop in like 17 minutes, and if you do try and do it by yourself, like the fastest you can do it in is like 21, like
Yeah.
4 minutes slower or something. You know, it's just
Well, you got that group that's sucking up a little bit.
exactly the draft is so sweet, and plus you just dig a little deeper to hold that wheel, and
Yeah, exactly.
it's all those things that combine to make it so much faster in a group.
Yeah, a lot of some of these other guys, you see the local pros around here, or is it?
Nobody's really a pro here.
Oh, no, I thought the guy that used
There are a few that are that used to be. But there's
one guy used to ride for.
yeah, well, a guy used to ride for HealthNet. He's not here.
Okay.
There's some fast guys though, for sure.
Oh yeah.
A lot of ones here. You know, we basically race with a pro, so
Yeah.
Is this your first time on the ride?
Yeah.
How was it?
I got drunk.
Well, there's nothing to be ashamed with.
No, it's fun. I didn't really know what to expect. But now I do. So next time, hopefully I can hang on a little longer.
It took me 6 months till I hung on till the finish. When I first started coming,
Yeah.
I would make it a little further and
Yeah, it's
You know-
pretty cool to have.
not make a mistake of like pulling.
Yeah.
It's a fun group though.
Yeah,
They'll cheer you on until you make it.
yeah.
How did you hear about it? Oh, okay. live in the city?
I live in South Korea.
Okay. Oh, that'll be easy. Nice.
What way do people go back? They don't go over?
They'll go this way usually. It depends.